Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna explain you how to do the If I Was trend on TikTok. But before moving forward, make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And now let's begin. The first thing that you need to do to follow this trend is to install an app. So open your Play Store and on the search bar, type CapCut Video Editor and install the second option. To save time, I have already installed the app. Once done, open. Now you're all set to edit your video. Now first, select the template icon from the bottom bar and on the search bar, type Run by Run template. You will get the trending videos. Open the one you like and tap on the heart icon to add it in your favorites. Now go back and tap on the edit icon. Now select New Project and then select the photos that you want to use in your video. I'm selecting here random pictures. Then tap on Add. Now you're all set to edit your video. Now set the photo format and timings of each photo according to the trend. And once you're done, go till the end and delete the last part. Delete. Then select the sounds option and then go to the save videos and use the sound. Edit the sound and it's done. Now tap on the arrow icon given on top right corner of your screen and wait for a while. Once it's done, you're ready to share your video on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.